Craving an escape where roller coaster screams echo through the air, mythical creatures roam vibrant lands, and every day promises a dose of unforgettable fun? Then set your sights on Orlando, Florida, the theme park capital of the world, where childhood dreams collide with thrilling realities, offering an experience for every soul. Step into the fantastical realms of Walt Disney World Resort, where iconic characters, from Mickey Mouse to Ray Skywalker, come to life. Blast off into space with Buzz Lightyear, soar through Neverland with Peter Pan, and let the magic of Disney paint your day with endless smiles. Every castle whispers a fairy tale. For the adrenaline enthusiasts, Universal Orlando Resort offers heart-pounding adventures around every corner. Ride alongside dinosaurs in Jurassic World, duel wands with Death Eaters in the wizarding world of Harry Potter, and scream your way through thrilling roller coasters like Hagrid's Magical Creature Motorbike Adventure. Every scream whispers excitement. Venture beyond the theme parks and lose yourself in the serenity of Winter Park, a charming oasis adorned with canals and lush greenery. Explore art galleries showcasing local talent, rent a swan boat for a tranquil glide, and discover hidden gems tucked away amongst cobblestone streets. Every corner whispers peace. Feel the thrill of discovery at Kennedy Space Center, where space exploration becomes tangible. Witness rockets towering towards the sky, touch a moon rock, and marvel at the awe-inspiring exhibits that showcase humanity's journey beyond Earth. Every launch whispers ambition. As the sun begins its descent, painting the Orlando sky in fiery hues, head to Icon Park for a magical sunset escape. Watch the iconic Ferris wheel bathe in golden light, sip cocktails overlooking the glittering cityscape, and capture the moment in a photograph that will forever hold the Orlando sunset. Every hue whispers enchantment. Indulge in a feast of juicy burgers and crispy fries at one of Orlando's renowned American diners, savoring the classic flavors of the Sunshine State. Share stories with friendly locals, sing along to classic tunes on the jukebox, and louse yourself in the warm ambience of a timeless tradition. Every bite whispers comfort. For a taste of Orlando's diverse nightlife, explore the trendy bars and clubs in International Drive or the laid-back pubs in College Park. Dance to the rhythm of live music, mingle with fellow adventurers sharing their Orlando stories, and discover hidden gems tucked away in bustling streets. Every night promises a new connection. As twilight whispers its lullaby, find a cozy spot on the shores of Lake Eola and gaze at the star-studded tapestry above. Let the twinkling constellations transport you to another world, a world where time melts away and you're left with the gentle whisper of the waves and the sweet memory of Orlando. From soaring castles to thrilling rides, from serene escapes to adrenaline-pumping adventures, Orlando offers an unforgettable experience for every soul. Whether you seek a taste of childhood magic, a dose of space exploration, or the simple joy of connecting with new people, this Sunshine State gem promises to weave its magic around you, leaving you with a heart full of memories and a yearning to return. So, pack your sense of wonder, your appetite for adventure, and your biggest smile. Orlando awaits, ready to whisper its stories and paint your own sunshine-filled